Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum, has shown a little bit of a pullback since yesterday, but the pullback at the moment looks corrective. We're also still holding above our support area, below a breakout point. Here we had an attempted breakout yesterday above these previous swing highs that are located around $2,720. Yeah, so we had three swing highs here from the 8th of August, the 11th of August, and the 12th of August. This here was a fake out. Yesterday was a bit of a day of fake outs. As you might recall, we had some crazy up and down movement. It looks a little bit more like an uptrend on the Ethereum chart. Bitcoin really just sort of moved sideways. And Ethereum, however, is suffering today as well a bit. But okay, it rallied more yesterday than Bitcoin, for example. But we're still overall caught in a range. You can see it here. And as long as we don't break out to the upside from the range or break below support, price action here is considered noise. We are looking at a possible diagonal pattern to the upside. As you might recall from previous updates, we have a three-wave move up in wave 1. We have a three-wave pullback in wave 2. The diagonal means that the wave 3 is also a three-wave move. A is done. B wave might have bottomed, but I need a more convincing breakout to the upside to confirm that. And then the C wave could be unfolding now, And then we should still get another 4-5 pattern, and wave 3 should get to $3,076 or higher. And the wave 5 should minimally get to 3,232. These are the key parameters we're watching here at the moment. And I mentioned already the breakout point. Important is to mention that the key support for this yellow scenario, which is the bullish count, is located at 2,393. So at the moment, I'm observing a possible C wave in the making. So we might want to take the position that the C wave has started. It could be a 5-wave move that unfolded here in yellow wave 1, a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, And then this is now a wave 2 pullback. Possible I can add a micro support region for that, but it's not one that I trust because of the overall situation that we are in a diagonal at best, And but still, this gives us clear levels, because any break below 2,562 will mean that likely this B wave never finished. And we might see a test of the lower support region, possibly in the region between 2,506 and 2,393. But overall, I'm watching for higher prices, even though we have to be on the side of caution because this is an overall diagonal pattern. But I am on the side of caution. But again, I'm watching for higher as long as we are holding above the support area. And again, key support is 2,393. What I should do, I'm going to change that. This here is, put that in green because it's a breakout point. To the downside, the proper invalidation point. I mean, that's the formal invalidation point. A break below support is not invalidation, but a break below 2,393 will likely lead to invalidation. The invalidation point of the diagonal pattern to the upside, as per the yellow wave count, that diagonal pattern invalidation is at 2,315 USD. So any break below it will clearly give us confirmation that this is not unfolding anymore. So that would be really black and white invalidation. But as long as we're holding above support, for me, I'm watching for higher in this yellow wave count. I'm giving the bulls the chance. Levels are very clear. Key support is clear. Upside breakout point is clear as well. The next target for the bulls, ideally today, will be to break above the 2,750 level here. That swing high that formed actually overnight. It was, actually overnight. So that's at the moment situation. Pretty much neutral price action, really. We need a few more impulses. We need some upside momentum to really say that the third wave in this C wave is unfolding to the upside. And please be aware that if we see a break below support, and specifically the invalidation point, it is very likely, and that would be the assumption then, that a larger wave 4 is still unfolding with support at $1,790 then. Because any break below the invalidation point will not confirm, but indicate that we're going to break below the Monday low. And that doesn't mean we have to go to 1790, but it means further weakness, and it means that 1790 is next support, not necessarily a target. That's the update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.